You own whatever land you land on. The earth is just a dead thing you can't claim. But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. I think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you'll learn things you never knew, you never knew. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, or ask the grinning bobcat why he grinned? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind?
Pocahontas? Oh my. And I was having such a lovely nap.
Grandmother Willow, I need to talk to you.
Oh, calm down, child. Take a deep breath. Yes, there. Now, what is it that is troubling you?
We have to do something. The forest is in danger.
Come near us, they'll be barking up the wrong tree. I'll drop acorns on them, I'll trip them with my roots. I'll show them.
You will hush and calm down. That's what you will do. Honestly, the two of you are carrying on like a couple of foolish pine trees.
But they're destroying the forest. They might even destroy you.
Pocahontas, have you forgotten the prophecy of the forest?
What's a...
That's not actually nice.
Sprig, have you ever met a possum?
I think I'm about to.
Yes, that's a possum. He's a very clever little fellow.
It doesn't look very clever to me.
Well, Sprig, just like you have tender roots, the possum has quite a tender heart. Instead of fighting, he protects himself by playing dead.
So the possum teaches us to use strategy to help solve our problems?
Is that the secret of protecting the forest?
No, I don't think so. But it might help us find out the secret.
Watch out!
Sprig, he didn't even touch you.
I know, but it would have hurt if he did.
The porcupine is like my father, Chief Powhatan. If you treat him well, he's very friendly. But if threatened, his quill stands straight up.
I get the point.
If he believes he's in danger.
His smell and his spray teach us about respect.
What about respect?
Well, we have to learn to respect nature.
Chew on my leaves.
Oh, come now, Sprig. They're just little bunnies.
I know, but it tickles.
Yes, but do you know what they teach us?
Well, I already know they tickle. What else could they teach me?
Even though rabbits are small, they still have their own message. Sprig, we have to learn to take control over the things that scare us. Otherwise, our fears could become real. I'll be right back.
Pocahontas? Where are you going? Sort of scared of snakes myself.
Don't be afraid, Sprig. Every animal has its own special beauty and role. Without my friend the snake, some animal populations would grow so large and they'd threaten the life of the forest if he did not do what he must to survive.
Well, if it's such an important job, maybe you should let him do it. But somewhere else. Anywhere else.
Yes, our friend does need to continue his journey. He has shown us the final part of the secret.
Keep him away from me. He's always stealing my best acorns.
You see, from the hidden pine trails of the forest, come taste the sun-sweet berries of the earth. Come roll in all the riches all around you, and for once, never wonder what they're worth. The rainstorm and the river are my brothers.